Good day everyone. I hope you're all doing well. And so for this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Microsoft apps, Microsoft Excel by recording arithmetic operation, solving data, and creating a chart. So before that, let's go to open the Microsoft app. Ayan. So wait lang natin guys. Then click natin yung Excel. Ayan. Double tap lang natin guys. Then kung nakikita nyo yung ito, yung blank workbook, click natin yan. Then wait pala natin guys. Ayan siya. So the first letter, the letter A, is I'm going to put number. Ayan. And the letter B is I'm going to put a text. Ayan, put a text. Letter C is addition. Then, nilalagay natin is plus 10. Okay. Plus 10 yun. And letter D is subtraction. Subtraction pala guys. Subtraction. Yung subtraction naman natin is minus 5. And letter E is multiplication. So yung multiplication din natin guys is multiply natin siya sa 5 din. And the letter F is the division. So i-divide natin siya in a 3. Divide natin sa 3. So sa number is lalagay natin is 15. Ayan. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and the last is 60. So, and the text is mag-add lang tayo ng mga things like yung mga shirt. Sabihin natin clothes or shirt na lang yung ilalagay natin. Shirts. Tama ba yung shirt natin? Paano yan? Mali. And next is sabihin natin slipper. Next, sorry guys, hindi na ako nakakita dyan sa cam kasi nag-enter ako eh. Slipper, then watch. The next is shoes. Next, cell phone. Next is bag. Ayan. Mahilig tayo sa bag. And belt. Ayan. Then, mirror. Umbrella. And the last one is laptop. Siyempre, laptop. Ginagamit natin ngayon. Then, sa addition is, i-add lang natin is 10 plus 20 is equal to 25. Next is, ayan, mag-add lang natin 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Ayan, okay na. Sa subtraction naman guys is subtract natin sa 5. So 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Ayan, 20. Ayan, so 15. Next. Ayan, i-ano na lang natin para mabilis tayo, guys. Ayan. Para mabilis tayo. Ano lang yan. Hanggang matapos, guys, ganyan lang. Ayan. Okay. No, namali na tayo. Wait lang. Backspace natin. Backspace. Mali. Wait lang.
Hanggang next week lang rin ka na basta gawin natin ay baka
Mali. So, naka 25. Okay, tama pala, guys. Tama pala. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55. Then, 15, 20. Nabali naman tayo sa 20 na isa. Twenty-five, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55. Ayan. So, punta tayo sa multiplication, guys. I-multiply natin siya into 5. So, 15 times 5 is 75. And third, 20 times 5 is 100. Ayan lang. Para mabilis tayo, is ano natin, 125. Ayan, multiply natin, 30 times 5. 30 times 5 is 150. Ayan. Ayan lang, ano lang natin, guys. Ayan, para madali lang tayo. So, 200. 225. 55 times 5. Okay, 250. 275. And the last one is 300. Ayan. So, punta naman tayo sa division, guys. Division. So, divide natin siya into 3. So, 15 times 3 is 5. Ayan. So, next is 20 divide pala tayo. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 6. 6.6. So, 25 divided by 5 is equal to, okay, 8.3. 8.3. So, yun guys, para madali lang tayo, i-divide lang natin siya into 3. So, 35, divide lang natin yan, 35 to 60. Ayan. So, lagay na natin 10. Next is 11.6. 13.3. And 15. Next, 16.6. 18.3. And the last one, guys, is 60 divide, ayan. Okay, 60 divide 3 is equal to 20. Ayan, guys. So, ganyan lang siya kadali, guys. Gawin. So, yun, guys. And I hope na mayroon po kayong natutunan. And see you in the next video. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. Ganyan lang yan.